Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about some run deals going on right now at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a few quick updates because Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week, and I have already uploaded several videos, so here's a quick rundown. We have new clearance markdowns and a penny list with overage, plus yesterday was absolutely crazy with tons of surprise penny items, so if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. We also have a Christmas sale going on right now at Dollar General, where select Christmas items are 50% off. However, I have been finding some Christmas penny items mixed in with this Christmas sale. So I uploaded a video on that. Again, if you missed it, make sure that you go and check it out. And then to top it off, we still have that run glitch going on with the Tide laundry detergent. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They are all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump into these new run glitch deals. So first up this week at Dollar General, we have an amazing instant savings deal on Arm & Hammer. So you're going to instantly save $5 at the register when you spend $15 on Arm & Hammer brand products. Now, what makes this deal even sweeter is that we also have some manufacturer coupons that we can throw in and stack with this instant savings deal. So first of all, let's go over a few products that are included in the instant savings. That way you guys can mix and match however you would like. First up, we have the Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminators. This is a 30-ounce box. They're priced at $2.25. We also have the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent. This is a 67.5 fluid ounce bottle. These are priced at $6. We have a one-off-one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5. Now, also working with this one-off-one digital coupon, we have the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent, 39.4 fluid ounces. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, keep in mind that on some of these bottles, the ounces might vary a little bit higher or a little bit lower, so just be aware of that. Next up, we have the Arm & Hammer Scent Beads. Now, these are normally $4, but they're on sale this week for $3.50. Plus, we have a one-off-one digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $2.50. Next, we have the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent 77 loads. This is a 100.5 fluid ounce bottle. These are priced at $9.50, and we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $6.50. Now, earlier in the week, we did have a DG cashback offer for $2 back on the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent. However, that offer has now expired. It expired sometime early this morning because I was up late putting together a video for you all. I had everything ready to go. First thing this morning, I went back and double checked, and it was gone, because sometimes with these cashback offers, they will say expiring soon for days and days and days and never expire. And then one day you'll go to look for them and they're just gone. So you really don't get much of a warning. Anyways, with that video and all those deals, I did have to scratch that. But luckily for us, a new DG cashback offer did show up on our accounts today, and it's even better. So now we have a DG cashback offer for $3 back on the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent 75 loads or larger. So if these two stack and work together, that is going to make your final price $3.50. Now, I want you all to be aware that with this Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent 77 load 100.5 fluid ounce bottles priced at $9.50, we also have that one-off-one Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent digital coupon that is attaching. So if you use that, that's going to leave you paying $8.50, and then with the DG cashback offer, that's going to make your final price $5.50. Now, real quick, let's take a closer look at this DG cashback offer. Like I said, it's $3 back on the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergents 75 loads or larger. Now, if you guys will notice, there is a limit of 5, so you can redeem this up to 5 times in one transaction. In my experience, if you do all 5, the offer does pop back up. Now, with this one, it does say that it is expiring soon. So we do not have a definite date on when this will expire. That's why I say this is definitely a run deal. Go out and do this deal while we have it. If you all try to wait and do this deal on Saturday, that cashback offer may not be available any longer. Now, if you will notice, it does say expiring soon, must be clipped in 24 hours. So I'm not quite sure what that means. I guess if you don't clip it to your account within 24 hours, the offer could possibly just disappear. I always go through and clip all the offers to my account anyways, so I've never had that issue. But either way, make sure that you guys clip this to your account, whether you plan on doing it today or tomorrow, or if you want to hold out until Saturday and see if it's still there for you for your 5 off $25 scenario. Now, I also wanted to go ahead and point out that we do have the same offer right now on Ibotta. Now, Ibotta is really strict about using coupons and rebates together. They no longer allow that. However, with that being said, Ibotta also no longer allows us to upload our receipts or submit our receipts. So we do have to link our Dollar General accounts to our Ibotta account. And since they have made us link our Dollar General accounts, and really it's kind of out of our hands at this point, I will go ahead and open up my Ibotta app and clip all of those offers for Dollar General. That way, if there's a little glitch going on in the system and I get a little bit extra cash back, that's just a bonus on top. All right, now I've got to run and pick up the kiddos from school today, so let's go ahead and run through these deals really quickly. For this first one, you want to pick up 2 of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent 77 ounces at $9.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $19. The $5 in instant savings will come off first at the register. Then your 3 off 1 coupon will be applied. That's going to leave you paying $11. But then you are going to get back $6 for the DG cashback offers because they are stacking. I have already done this deal twice today. So that is going to make your final price $5 for 2 or $2.50 each. Now, here's another way that y'all can do this deal. You want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent 32.5 ounce bottles at $4. You want to make sure that you ring this one up first. That way that 1 off 1 digital coupon attaches to it. Then pick up the Arm & Hammer scent beads at $3.50 and the Arm & Hammer 77 ounce at $9.50. That is going to put your subtotal at $17. Then your instant savings of $5 will come off first at the register. The coupons that you're going to need is the 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 scent beads, and the 3 off 1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. And that is going to leave you paying $7 out of pocket, but then you're going to get $3 back for the 77 ounce liquid laundry detergent, making your final price $4 for all 3 products, making those just $1.33 each. All right, now for this next one, you want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer carpet refreshers at $2.25, 1 of the Arm & Hammer scent beads at $3.50, 1 of the Arm & Hammer 77 ounce liquid laundry detergents at $9.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $15.25. The $5 in instant savings will come off first at the register. Then you're going to need that 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer scent beads and the 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. Now, I want you guys to be careful with this scenario because if you have already clipped the 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, that one will apply first instead of the 3 off 1 digital coupons. So if you have that one clipped to your account, I would suggest to do one of the other scenarios. So that is going to leave you paying $6.25. You're going to get back $3 for that cashback offer. That's going to make your final price $3.25 for all 3 items, making each one just $1.08 each. All right, guys, so there you have it. 3 amazing run deals and on laundry products. I'm telling y'all, DG is absolutely on fire this week, and our 5 off $25 scenarios are going to be even better. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.